Hello Shamanettes and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. Ovang Korean skincare is a synergy of nature and science where they balance the skin's innate beauty in the midst of the demands of a busy life. We can all relate to that one. Everyone wants that clear, glass-like Korean skin. So let's talk about Ovang's cleansing routine and Bakuchiol, a retinol replacement cream, and what makes it unique and worthy of your time. The first product is the Yuja Probiotics Cleansing Balm and Makeup Remover, and the second product is the Minari Balance pH Cleanser. These both are fragrance-free, gentle, and work beautifully with sensitive skin. Plus, they are well priced and don't break the bank. Very important. Let's start with the Yuja Probiotics Cleansing Balm. Picture this, you're coming home after a long day, your face is coated with stubborn, waterproof makeup, and you just want it off. The makeup removing balm melts away even the toughest makeup while nourishing your skin with a rich blend of vitamins and antioxidants. It brightens and evens out skin tone with the power of the Yuja fruit. Yuja is found in Korea, China, and Japan and is known for its antioxidant and vitamin C properties. It feels very gentle and soothing, and my skin absolutely loves it. Now follow it up with the Minari Balance pH Gel Cleanser. Minari is a vegetable grown throughout East Asia and is known for its soothing, calming, and rejuvenating properties. This gentle but effective cleanser dives deep into your pores, balancing your skin's pH and getting rid of daily impurities. It exfoliates, rejuvenates, and reduces redness and irritation, while niacinamide targets dark spots for a clearer complexion. Plus, allantoin and pantheons team up to improve skin's texture and keep you glowing all day long. Now let's get a little scientific for a moment. Do you know that our skin faces a constant barrage of bacteria, pollution, and dirt every single day? That's where the double cleansing comes into play. With a formula enriched with vitamin C, probiotics, and turmeric, this method not only purifies but also supports that coveted beautiful Korean skin look. If your sensitive skin makes you react to retinol, then try Bakuchiol Cactus Repair Cream. It is a godsend. Ovang Bakuchiol Cactus Repair Cream is specifically designed to address a variety of skin concerns, including fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, uneven skin tone, and sensitivity. It targets visible signs of aging, dehydration, and environmental damage to restore a youthful complexion. I've tried it, and it's not as strong as retinol for sure, and so it'll be less irritating for all of you people with sensitive skin. So say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to a clear, radiant complexion. It's time to simplify your skincare routine with these 3 powerhouse products. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, keep on glowing.